Hey gang, I was gonna build a beautiful turn-of-the-century china hutch for you today with inlaid glass and some very ornate moldings, but just before I started, my boss asked me if I would build him a dog house for his dog. So I had to say yes, otherwise I'd be in the dog house too. So here we are, enjoy. This is our design right here. We drew this up earlier. We had an architect sign off on it and an engineer. Okay, so we're making a doghouse for a Beanie Baby. Not something I thought I would be doing when I got started woodworking, but the boss gets what the boss wants.
It's time to muff up.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Here we go.
Safety on.
Safety first. And second.
And second.
Have you ever tried working with your boss standing over your shoulder? It's awful. You can't see it, but I was sweating quite profusely. I was so worried about making a mistake. Alright, we are ready to assemble the first couple of pieces. He of course had to tell me how to do it. But I guess that's why he's the boss.
My earbuds are causing a delay.
Just marking a few more cuts here while he tells me that my math is wrong. Maybe he did take calculus, but this is more of a trig or maybe a geometry issue. He also didn't muff up on that last cut. We'll see how OSHA feels about that. Just cutting out the roof peaks. Would you believe he made me redo this 7 times? Even for a doghouse for your favorite Beanie Baby, that's a bit ridiculous. Now we're ready to cut out the door. It was really hard to find the perfect size of circular object. You obviously don't hear it, but the whole time I was cutting, he was relentlessly taunting me that I was going to screw it up. Prior to assembly, we had a little chat off camera. He agreed to stop micromanaging me, and I agreed to start taking his advice a little bit more frequently. After that, the project carried on without a hiccup, with the exception of a few nails that may have missed their mark. Quick sidebar, if you like to do home projects or hobby woodworking with a reasonable amount of frequency, you've got to get one of these nail guns. They are awesome and they save a ton of time. Time for some paint. We settled on a dark gray, but before that we wanted to do a quick primer coat. Oh man, everything's coming together. I sure hope that Beanie Baby likes his new house. For the roof, I went with a regular old asphalt shingle, but you could use tin or clay or thatch or pretty much any type of roof material you wanted to. It's really up to you. Don't mind me, I'm just fixing a few mistakes while the boss is at lunch.